Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So at the end of July this year, Microsoft had announced that the Microsoft Store would, as they called it, take reviews to the next level, and they were rolling out AI-powered summarization, which at that stage was only available in preview for all insiders in the United States. Now, I'll leave a link to that video down below if you'd like more info regarding the actual AI summaries in the Microsoft Store. But just a quick update to let you know that according to the Windows enthusiast Phantom Ocean 3 over on X, Microsoft now is starting to roll out the AI-generated summaries for the Microsoft Store in the stable version of Windows 11. And at this stage, though, it seems to be only for the United States, because I'm not seeing it in my region. And when it was in preview, it was only for the US, users of Windows 11 in the US. And still seems to be and is currently on a controlled rollout. And if we just head over to a screenshot just to give us a general idea and just a quick recap regarding the AI-generated summaries, what it does, as we can see from this screenshot, using iTunes as an example, there are 244 reviews for this product and this app. So basically it just summarizes all of those reviews and pops it into one handy AI-generated review summary. So it just collates everything which will be making it simpler and easier to basically check out what the app is all about before you actually download and install any app or service or product from the Microsoft Store. Now, if we just head over to the WinVer about Windows in the screenshot here, we can see it's Windows 11 version 22H2 OS build 22621.2134, and that's the latest version and build of the stable release of Windows 11. And I'm running that exact same version and build. So this seems to be region specific using a controlled rollout. Now, if we just head back to the actual Microsoft Store, the version you need to be on, if we just head to our settings, the latest version that this AI summaries was spotted in was version 22306.1401.1.0. So that's the latest version and build of the store that apparently these AI-generated summaries are rolling out to. And as you can see, I've the exact same version, and it's still not available in my region. So that leads me to ask the question, is it only rolling out in the US? And if it isn't, if you are seeing it in your region, if you have this version and build of the Microsoft Store and you are seeing the AI-generated summaries in your region, just let me know in the comments. Because obviously I would just like to keep you guys updated and posted and in the loop, as this is something I have been posting on. But nonetheless, those AI-generated summaries seem to be now making their way and trickling into the stable version of Windows 11 version 22H2. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.